Hi everyone, this is Maitra Patel. Today I am going to talk about my journey with sports and physical activities, particularly table tennis and cricket. I'll share how my participation has been shaped by my social identity, the influence of people around me, and how things have changed over time. I frequently play cricket and table tennis these days. For me, cricket is primarily a social and team based sport, whereas I enjoy table tennis due to its quick pace and tactical aspects. These activities allow me to stay active, enjoy myself, and meet new people. Though I enjoy these two sports, there are other ones I don't engage in either due to lack of opportunities or simply because they don't appeal to me. It's been discovered that social identity significantly influences how young people who play a variety of sports behave with their teammates. My social identity has influenced my participation in these activities in several ways. One of them is gender. At a young age, I was introduced to cricket as I noticed that boys were often motivated to participate in the sport. In comparison, table tennis seemed more inclusive, allowing individuals of all genders to participate easily. Additionally, I could take part in both the sports as they were affordable. I realize, however, that this is not a universal experience. One of them is also body type. I have found that table tennis especially prioritizes the skills and tactics over the physical appearance, creating a welcoming atmosphere for me. Another one is while I was growing up, cricket had a major impact on our community. Watching games with family and playing on weekends had become a near tradition for me. The people in my life have had a significant impact on my passion for these games. At an early age, my family exposed me to cricket. My friends got me into the table tennis, and we began playing in the yard and enjoying matches together to connect. Even though it started casually, their encouragement motivated me to consider it more seriously. The school also had a notable impact. I managed to incorporate these activities The school also had a notable impact. I managed to incorporate these activities into my everyday schedule due to having access to resources and trainers who have encouraged participation. Naturally, the media also played a part in this. Thank you all and have a great day. After watching professional table tennis competitions and unforgettable cricket moments on television, I felt inspired in more effort and improve my abilities. Like the world we live in, sport has changed throughout the time. These days, sports are like businesses. Having said that, the pressure that the young athletes face nowadays is frequently fostered by extremely high expectations from coaches as well as the parents. In addition, my participation in sports has been changed from last few years. As a kid, cricket was more like a leisure activity for me, something which I enjoyed with my friends in the streets or at the schools. However, as I aged, it developed into a more organized format featuring official matches and leagues. Table tennis, however, was something I found out about later, and it swiftly turned into a favorite due to its quick tempo and mental challenge. Currently, I view these sports as more than mere hobbies. They serve as methods to stay fit, alleviate stress, and preserve social ties. Over the years, my life priorities have changed, yet these activities have remained with me, adjusting to the time I possess and the objectives I establish. Activities such as table tennis and cricket have significantly influenced my life, molding my identity and the relationships I have. They have instructed me in collaboration, concentration, and perseverance. Thank you for taking the time to hear my story. What about yourself? What experiences have influenced your paths? Thank you all and have a great day.